Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. You already know what time of year it is, and that is Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale haul. I am so excited to share with you guys what I picked up. I did a huge restock this summer, absolutely huge. I feel like the Christmas sale, I went late, I didn't get a good selection, and I was just kind of saving up for things for my apartment, so I didn't want to like go too hard back at Christmas. But as a result, I was like recently completely out of Bath & Body Works products. So I stocked up on hand soap, on shower gel, on hand sanitizer, on wallflowers, on really everything except for body lotion because I don't use Bath & Body Works body lotion. But I want to share with you guys what I got. Let me know what you picked up from this year's haul by leaving a comment on this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's start with the first bag here. They gave me 2 small bags, which was nice because I think it was easier to transport everything. I only went to one Bath & Body Works. I went on the first day of the sale and I just added to cart. Like, they had the biggest selection I have seen in a minute. I think the key to the sale really is going on the first day. Hopefully I'm gonna get this video up super fast so you guys can see it before the sale is over. But I got Gingham, which is one of my favorite shower gel scents. I just love how pure and clean this is. This is perfect for year round, but I do like it the most in the summer because it's just, you know, it's very coastal grandmother, you know. It's giving that for me. The next scent I got was Magic in the Air. I haven't had this one in a hot minute. I just love the pretty turquoise color. This again smells like very summery, very fresh, a little floral, and I just love it. So this is another restock favorite of mine. I then picked up Pink Pineapple Sunrise, which I don't think I've ever had this one before. I was loving the tropical packaging. Let's smell it together. I don't even think I smelled this one in the store. I just kind of went with it. It's very fruity. I feel like these like summery ones, they just kind of rebrand them in different names with different packaging, but it's all kind of like the same scent, which I like, so I'm not complaining. I then got Fresh Coconut and Cotton. I also don't think I've ever had this one before. Definitely more coconutty, which makes sense. Like, that's definitely a stronger scent than Cotton, but it's like a clean coconut. It's not too sweet, which I like. I feel like this packaging is very elegant and very adult. Now moving on to the Wallflowers, if you can hear that over the crinkling of this paper. Now that I live in an apartment, I'm like constantly having a wallflower going. I just love just pushing out all of those good scents and good vibes into the apartment. So I got Vanilla and Santal. I love this again, just clean, warm, musky scent. And then I got Tiki Beach, which is going to be the next one that I use for the summertime. I got some hand sanitizers. The hand sanitizers were all half off, which like you can't beat that. Again, I got the Pink Pineapple Sunrise. I got Grapefruit Garden and Herb. I really like these smaller hand sanitizers for like when you go to a concert and you have to bring those microscopic bags in. I'm going to the Eras tour in a couple of weeks, so I was thinking about that. Like, I'm gonna need a really tiny hand sanitizer for that. And then I also got Raspberry Tangerine. Moving on to my second bag. We got more shower gels because I use Bath & Body Works shower gel every day. I just love how it makes me smell. I know it's like not the best for your skin, especially for those of us with sensitive skin, but they just smell so good. I got Gingham Vibrant, which I've never had this one before. The packaging was beautiful. This smells so good. It smells like gingham with like a little splash of berry, and I've already decided I'm gonna save this for my birthday and use it around my birthday because it just seems like such a fun like birthday scent, and it's definitely me. Like, the packaging is very me with the purple flowers. I also got Hello Beautiful. Again, I don't think I've had this scent. I think this is like maybe it's discontinued, I'm not sure. Smells kind of fruity. Definitely like a fruity floral scent. Let's see, it does have fragrance notes on it. White gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectarine, and cotton musk. I'm definitely getting that white gardenia in there. That's probably the most dominant scent. This is my last shower gel. I got Fresh Jungle Rain, which I've never seen this one either. Got a lot of more unique scents this time. This kind of smells similar to like the white gardenia, or like the, I don't know, what's it called, like white gardenia rain or something, I don't know, but I smell gardenia in this. And these fragrance notes are Rain-Kissed Palms, Amazon Dragon Fruit, and Misty Breeze. So I think I was a little off with that description, but that's what I meant, you know? I also got 2 hand soaps. I got Black Cherry Merlot, and then I got Eucalyptus Mint. So that's everything. It was definitely a huge restock. I'm really satisfied with all of my purchases. I did the 10 off of 40 coupon, so I feel like I made out and got some really good deals. But thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you next time. Bye.